Okay, this video is called The Winch of the Woods. Not the chicken of the woods, the winch of the woods. Do you see it? That cable is going into the woods through a pulley, and let's see where it goes. I'm supposed to be directing too. There he is. There he is along. Okay. How's it going? How's it going? I'm running back and forth to tell him yes or no or stop. Okay. There it is. It's getting pulled. I'm videotaping the experiment. Yeah. It looks like it's working. It's called the winch of the woods.
The winch of the woods, huh?
Yeah. Instead of like the mushroom, the chicken of the woods, it's the... Oh, Brien's screaming. Oh.
Thumbs up over here.
Thumbs up! Seems to be working. Yep. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to pay attention now. Goodbye.